Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to link the domain with hosting. First of all, you have to log in on the hosting as well as on the domain side. From there, you have to, for example, here is my hosting. You can see on this, you can see on the screen. So here's my hosting, and you just have to create a new website. From there, this you what is type of website you want. Then in my case, I just select login, and then you have to select create a new website. From there, you have to select, and then you have to install what WordPress on the hosting. From there, you have to give your login name and password as well. And then if you have a domain, you can just link it. Already have the link it, otherwise you have to buy it. In my case, I have already one domain, so I want to just link the domain. So from here, I just use the focus Germany on top of it. And then what I'm going to do is that I have existing domain, so I'm just type in that focus.line.com and then continue. From there, you can see here the some addresses. Then you have to put those in your link with this domain DNS. And then I already made some connections, so I will now edit and manage my control panel from here. As you can see, successfully WordPress has been installed on my domain and the hosting. And I can go here to the file manager. I can manage anything I want to. And now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to connect to my domain. So I got my domain from the Godaddy.com. So its default is they put some default page. So what is it? So this is their default page, as you can see here. And you can see here from what I'm doing now is just I'm going to connect the Cloudflare with my hostings. So I just take IP addresses from here and then enter in the Cloudflare DNS system. And I take from name servers here and to park in the Cloudflare DNS. This is how we can make connections between Cloudflare and hosting. You can install here SSL as well, as I mentioned in the earlier video how to install. Please keep visiting for that. Thank you so much.